Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Expert Studio. As you all know regarding the Bitcoin halving, that it is going to occur in maximum 1 day, 1 hour hardly. But right now, what is happening in the market? The whole market is going down, especially all the coins and also the tokens are down up to minus 11 to 13%. I don't know what is the reason behind it, because all the analyzers, all the analysts basically told us that near you can say near the halving, near the halving, they all analyze one thing, that the market will blow uptrend. But right now you can see each and everything on the coin market cap, all the tokens and especially the BTC is down up to 11%, and also Ethereum is down up to 11.70%, and major tokens and coins are down right now. So what are the reasons? As in my last in my last video, I basically shared all that from the main data, that basically whales are selling the Bitcoin at this time before halving, so that will be the major reason. But at this time I'm going to share all those one tokens which are entirely important, and if you are going to add these tokens in your personal portfolio, you are going to get number of benefit from these tokens. So before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio, and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of the update. First of all, in our list is basically the PCX token. Here you can see here you can see it by yourself, that right now the price of one token is about $1.10, and it already touched up to dollar 7 the 7.80. So right now the price is entirely low. Here you can see it by yourself, and also you can see the entire chart. So it is your time to add this token. So you can buy this token very easily directly from the multiple exchanges are over there. Here you can see it by yourself on Hotbit, on MXC, big one. You can buy this coin, so it is entirely important to add this token in your personal portfolio, the PCX token, because very soon they are going to launch up their new mobile app. So with the help of that one app, definitely the price will blow up, and you will get number of benefit and number of money with the help of this token. And secondly, the second token which I am going to share with you is basically BTC2. Right now the price of one BTC2 is about $0.934, so it is entirely low. You can buy this token on Crex24, and on number of exchanges it already reached up to $4.80. Here you can see each and everything. Right now you can buy this token on Byrake network and also on the Crex24 exchange, as I told you above, because I am also the holder of this token, so that's why I knew each and everything regarding this token. So here you can see it by yourself that it already reached up to $4.50. So right now the price of one token is about $0.93. So it is your time to be in. The reason is very simple and very you can say appropriate regarding this platform, because they are going to basically launch some more data on their own platform. So number of new tokens will be on the mainnet of BTC2 very soon. So that thing will definitely take this coin. BTC2 is basically a coin, so definitely these are the reasons which basically take BTC2 entirely up. Last one, the basic token in our list is basically the Bear Chain. So you must have to add this coin BRC. At this time it is up about 8.76% up at this time. So you must have to add this token also. So here you can see it by yourself right now, and it already reached up to $15, and you can buy this token on BitZ, on the Bitmart, on Alterdice, on Dextrade. Number of exchanges are over there, so you must have to add this coin in your personal portfolio. So these are the three main the main tokens, and the one is coin. The Bitcoin 2 BTC2 is basically a coin, so you must have to add these all tokens in your personal portfolio. And for example, if you are going to invest only and only $50 in each token, seriously you are going to get some money from it. So go at this time, because at this time the time is yours, because before the halving, and even you can say the 1 or 2 days after the halving, you have the time to buy these tokens. If you like my video, kindly hit the like button, and also share this video with some of your friends. And also I will try my level best that I will share the giveaway of my hot token in maximum you can say couple of days. I will definitely share all the tokens with all of you. Thanks a lot.